guys, it's me, Peter. I wanted to give you an update about how things are going with me, with the ODIGO team, and there's been a lot that's happened. And I haven't done one of these updates. I know I give you guys an update every once in a while, but I haven't done one of these updates in a very long time. So thought I might share with you guys what's going on. So a lot has happened. My last, I guess, update was I think pre-COVID almost, and so a lot has happened. Obviously, COVID-19 has threw a huge monkey wrench on everything and everyone. I will say that it's been actually really nice for me to be home and to be able to, just get more in touch with myself and my thoughts. I was like media overloaded. I'm sure a lot of you guys were as well for a while, but I was able to actually take a step back and start turning off the TV, start turning off everything, and going out to the park and taking walks and thinking about my life and everything that has happened during these last 10 years. So it was actually pretty good for me in many ways. And the other thing is my team is, even through COVID, we were quite busy. I mean, we were, getting referrals, and it was just a very blessed time. And at the same time, we're also thinking about how to help other people as well during COVID. I've created a list of basically people I could help during COVID. And if you got, I still have the list. Every month, I still, intend on giving via this list. And so, if you guys have anyone that you want to nominate, obviously it's undisclosed. No one will know. I'm just using this list to basically help people along the way. Yeah, COVID-19 has been crazy. Personal life has been crazy, but one thing I will mention during this time is, first of all, um, my assistant Kayla, she actually ended up having a baby. So if you haven't heard from Kayla in a long time, she just had a baby, and it's a big deal. And I'm super grateful. She's doing well. Baby's super cute and doing well, and that did, kind of make it difficult for me, obviously, because I don't have an assistant anymore, and I was doing all the admin work myself, and it's still the case, and we are actually thinking about getting another admin here soon. Um, and the other thing along with that is, what's been such a huge blessing is that so many of you guys have given us so many leads, so many referrals, and it's been insane. Like almost every week we get like 5 referrals, and they're all wanting to sell or buy. And so we've just been very, very grateful to everybody who has been supporting our business during this time. And it's just been me and John, but then we've been using some of our other partnered agents to be able to help us. And we have an amazing transaction coordinator. And so things have been chaotic, but good. So just really grateful for you guys. I'm going to be doing a market update video soon, so just stay tuned. I'll let you guys know what's going on with the market. Other things, personal life things, I'm happy to actually share with you guys. I'll let a lot of you guys know that a lot of people think I'm a lot older than I actually am, which I'm not young, but I'm in my early 30s. But one kind of cool thing I wanted to mention is that I did find someone that I really, really like. And I don't know where it's going to go. It's all kind of new. I'm getting all the feelings that I didn't think that I would be able to get in my early 30s, but it's been really exciting. And so I wanted to share with you guys that. But everything is going incredibly well. And I just appreciate you guys for all of your support. And if you have any questions about real estate, I'm happy. I'm happy to help you guys. I'm happy to answer any questions. Gosh, what else? The last thing would be I'm heavily investing in real estate. A lot of you guys may be scared about the market or whatever. You know, for me, it's like interest rates are so low. I'm just kind of investing right now. I'm buying another mobile home park. I bought one mobile home park that has been doing so well, and then I'm buying another mobile home park, actually in Gold Bar. So if any of you guys are interested in that kind of investing stuff or real estate investing in general, please reach out to me, and I'm happy to share with you what's going on there. So I think that's it. I just want to give you guys a quick update. Thank you for all your support. Again, if you guys know of any admins that could be a good fit, please let me know. If you guys know anyone who's struggling with COVID, I know there's going to be a lot more people struggling, and so please keep me in mind. We do have a fund, literally a decent sized fund that we are giving every single month. So please let me know if there's anyone there. Otherwise, thanks, and I hope to talk to you guys soon.